The Enhanced Apprenticeship Academy programme came about through consultation with our staff about how to best attract, train and retain motor technicians. At Johnson and Perrott we place a great emphasis on career progression and the education of our staff, and the role of motor technician plays a key part in our success.
I enjoyed my journey as an apprentice. It was a tough 4 years, but at the end of it, it was really, really rewarding.
I chose to become an apprentice because I was always stuck in cars at home, and the father was stuck in cars and the brother was stuck in cars, so I said I'd follow in their footsteps, and I saw a job advertised when I was in school and I said I'd go for it. I started my apprenticeship in 2019, and so far it's very good. I'm learning more and more every day.
Some people think the motor trade is all oil and grease and spanners, but nowadays the technology has expanded so much with electric vehicles and new technologies that it's not just all spanners and oil, it's a lot of computer-based systems.
Starting your career in the motor trade gives you a fantastic opportunity to grow in a number of ways. Many choose to stay working their trade and often continuously improve their skills and go on to become senior and master technicians. Others choose to go into management. Becoming a motor technician these days requires a lot of hard work and dedication, but is extremely rewarding. Not only do you have to have the mechanical side of it, but also you need to have knowledge in relation to diagnostics, electric and computer systems. In my case, I started off my apprenticeship journey as one might expect, working in a motor garage and attending classes and workshop at the Cork Institute of Technology, now known as MTU. For me it was a great fit and a great learning experience, but I've always known that I wanted to accomplish more and get into management. To that end, I worked my way up from workshop foreman, service advisor, service manager, after sales manager, and from there I attained my current role as dealer principal of our Johnson and Perrott Douglas Road location. And with the help of Johnson and Perrott, I've only just recently returned to college to get a master's degree in business from the Smurfit School of Business in UCD. In my current role, I'm responsible for all aspects of running of our Douglas Road dealership, including Opel and Kia franchise sales, workshop and body shop.
Johnson and Perrott are very good for helping us out. They help us out with a tool loan scheme and stuff, and they pay for fees for FOSS and stuff, and they're just very supportive in the apprenticeship.